Here is a video about the reset button that's on the Samsung TV HD that's in our living room, and it should make sure that button is still highlighted, not grayed out. If it's grayed out, you have to go into the service menu to factory reset it to default. And also what that means, and it will help if you need to refresh your TV, just gotta go into Self Diagnostics, look for the reset on it, click on it, and enter the default pin into it, which is I had preset it now, and the reset is designed if you need to refresh your TV, and also the reset is designed for. It's very important to keep that reset highlighted if you're using a Samsung TV HD. And also, don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. And PS, the 4K is disabled because this network is attached.